Do you have a small dog that you need to bring a little ramp for you everywhere you go because it is so hard for them to get up on the couches and beds or anywhere you go? You need to try one of these. I was gifted this ramp by the brand Pawaboo, so thank you so much to Pawaboo for gifting this to me. It is the best ramp that I've seen. I have a lot of ramps for my little midge, and this one is my favorite so far. And what I love most about it is that it came like this. So it is so easy to travel with. So it comes these little clips on the side to keep it closed. So this is how it came packaged in a box. It has a little handle on it. So this is the most transportable pet ramp that I have seen. Plus it's nice, it's compact, it is small. Like I said, folds away. You could throw this under a bed, under a couch, or off to the side, and it does not take up any space. It also has this super thick indoor-outdoor carpeting that's textured. It's got deep ridges in it. It even has raised steps along the ramp to make it easier for your dog. So when they're senior dogs, easier to grip and get up the ramp like so. The other thing I love about it, so I'll just open this up again and show you. So once you, again, you just put the clips to keep it open on the side. So super easy. And then it has an adjustable, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots that it can go in. So you can adjust it to any height that you want your dog. So when they're really senior and they can't get up on even just the lower things, you can put it super low. But I have it at this level for the couch. And I am just going to show you. Midge, come here. Come here. Come up here. Look. Come up here. Come up here. So as you can see, super easy for her to use. She loves it. Go get it. She will go up and down. Come on. And she will use it. No problem at all. So we can play. She can run off and on the ramp. Here we go. Come on. Right here. There she goes. So very easy to get them to use these. She loves this one because it's nice and low. It kind of gets her right on the couch. She does not have to jump up on the couch. And like I said, this is the most portable one I have. So for travel, when you're going to hotels and you're bringing your dog and they have high beds and things for the dog to get on, this makes everything so much easier. Love this. Highly recommend this one over all of the different ramps that I have ever had. This is by far my favorite. Thank you again to the brand for gifting it to us. Right, Midge?